Have you ever wanted to hack into a Wi-Fi? Actually, this isn't hacking a Wi-Fi, but this is something we all know, but we don't know that we know. So whenever you are using internet access for the first time, you can access the Wi-Fi password and you distribute it to friends and connect also other different devices. So that is what we are going to look at in this video. So I've opened my Samsung phone and I'm connected to what is known as Makauka Investment Wi-Fi. But in order for me to see the password which I can use to share, I can just go to its settings and then I go to the QR code and then I just save it as an image. Or I can also take a screenshot of that. So after getting the Wi-Fi password, it means that I will be able to connect other devices and also connect other colleagues. So I will just go. You see in the gallery that the image has been saved, the QR code. So what we can do with this QR code is just scan it in order for us to get the Wi-Fi. So we shall go to our Google Chrome as our browser, and then we go to Levels. When we go to Levels, we shall just scan for that image and you get the Wi-Fi password. So I remain Tech Kevin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for tech tips.